Hello sir, my name is Prasetya Pratama, and now here I want to talk about topic 16. Topic 16 is about translation and interpreting. So the first is what is translation? So translation is about the process of transfer written text from one language to another language. So in translation, it's just not only about replace a word to another language, but it also convey the original meaning, the message, and it can be affect to the language context. And you as a translator, you need to deal with written text exactly, and then you need to understand the both language. It is about the language or about the culture of that language. And then and then you need to understand about the linguistic, pragmatic, or socio-linguistic of that language. And but the good things in translation, you can revise your final product before submit it. And then in translation there are two types. The first is literal translation. So it's like you translate to the exact word. For example, you translate to the exact word, and then it's often to use in legal text. For example, I'm hungry, and then for the free translation is like focus on meaning rather than the word. For example, it's like break a leg. It means semoga sukses. And then we have interpreting. So what is interpreting? Interpreting also the same with the translation, but in interpreting you need to deal with the real-time speaking. And in interpreting there are two types of interpreting. The first is consecutive interpreting. So it's like when the speaker pause to talk, that's the time you do your job as interpreting. You interpret what they said. And for the second is simultaneous consecutive, I think. Simultaneous interpreting, I think. So it's like while the speaker talking, it's like you interpret while the speaker talking. Yeah, like that. And then the challenge in the interpreting is like you need to deal with the real-time speaking, and you need to deal with a lot of words at one time. And different with the translation that have time to revise. In interpreting, you cannot revise your word into a right path. And I think that's all for me about the translation and interpreting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.